Typically on this channel, I find interesting stocks that are on the brink of a rally, but I'm going to do something a little bit different and go over a crypto token that I have personally been invested in for the past 3 months, and I've been collecting passive dividends. I want to share this token with you now because I think the foundation is very unique and it's could be possibly on a brink of a great rally. So the token is called Revshare. It's a Solana based token. Right now, it's at a 1.1 million market cap. If you hold a token, if you hold like say $100, $200, every time someone buys or sells this token, you'll get a percentage of the distribution. So the token, when you buy it, it taxes you like 10% for buying. It also taxes you 10% for selling. But as long as you're holding onto the token, whenever someone else buys or sells, it will take a portion of that tax and deposit it into your wallet, and you don't have to do anything. To give you an example, like held this token for the past 3 months, and I have in the past 3 months I have made over, I think almost 50% in my money back in Solana deposits. And I'm also like, if it's gone up a little bit since I've been holding it. And if I decide to sell it, that's a good amount of gain that I can take advantage of. But I want to make this video right now because this isn't like any other pump and dump token. Usually a pump and dump token, if you're familiar with the other tokens on Dextriner, like they'll maybe trade sideways for a few days, shoot up drastically, and then come back down and then just die off. As you can see, it's been trading steady for the past few months, but right now, actually as of yesterday, I see some like crazy volume activity. So maybe they're doing a press release or something's happening in the background. So I think this is a good time to make a video. So I will show you something else over here. Let's take a look. So RevShare is pretty much, you think of Rev token as the base layer. There's other people building other RevShare type of tokens using this platform. So you could actually go and create your own token using the RevShare platform, using their technology. And so to be completely transparent, a lot of these tokens right here that you see, they are pump and dumps. Sometimes it's like maybe an interesting project that have a good community, but it's like it's hard to know. Like, I was in one of them for a little bit. Um, it's called Money Making Machine. I don't know if I see it. It was trending like a month or two ago. But so just to give an idea, like anyone can go create a token on this platform, and a lot of these maybe not pump and dump on purpose, but they end up being pump and dump where like people get excited in the beginning in the first few days, like, oh, new tokenomics, let me buy into it. The price will shoot up, but then after like a week or maybe 2 3 weeks, it's just completely dead. The project's gone. Like the devs are nowhere to be found. So, but it's still like there might be a hidden gems here somewhere, where maybe it's a strong community. I don't really do this shit anymore. I don't really do this stuff anymore because it's like it's at the end of the day, this is like straight up gambling. But the reason I'm bringing you this rev share token is because this is the base there. This is where everyone has to come. So like for someone to build a project, they have to buy a certain amount of this token to like launch their own project on their platform. So this is like the base layer. So this is like the safest. If you want something that's like passive income, this is like the safest one that you could buy into. And then if we take a look at the coin market cap, you can see they do some checks: rug pull, no; fake token, no; no initial mint. So it's fairly safe. Again, I've been in this token for the past 3 months, just collecting passive, let's call it dividends. They call it rev share. In terms of Solana, so I still haven't. Actually, I used some of that dividend to like buy more rev share just to collect more dividends, but and then if I need some of the cash, I'll just like cash out from the Solana dividends. I I don't think I'm going to sell my actual RevShare token. But something else I want to know, like this is a token that I was looking at like almost last year. So see, this is a token called BGG1, and they're a little bit unique because they have a technology where you can like mint NFTs, like NFT types. But if you remember the whole NFT craze that was on the Ethereum base layer. This you could kind of mint NFTs on the Solana base layer. So I think they're still like working things out. You see the market cap is like really low right now. But one interesting I want you to notice is that after the launch, they had an initial rally within like a month, and then it was just trading sideways for like 1 2 3. It was trading sideways for like almost 3 months, like nothing happening, and then randomly on this day, it pretty much like it went up by 2,900%, which is pretty much 30x. So if you had like $100 invested somewhere around here, at the peak right here, that $100 would be worth like $3,000, which is like insane. And even if you didn't get out right at the peak, you start getting out like right here, that's still like 1,500 dollar profit, which is insane. So I say that to I mentioned this token because again, like this wasn't just like a random like Dogecoin or Pepe the Frog where it just like straight. I mean, this actually had a function, and it took a couple of months, maybe some article release for it to like pick up traction. I mentioned this to say, okay, could we possibly be seeing something similar happen with the Revs token? It did have a initial rally yesterday, so we'll have to see if it comes down to support. But I have a. This is just a purely speculation. Like again, like I don't think this isn't a security, so I don't even have to tell you like, oh, not financial advice, blah blah blah, all that. Like this isn't a security, it's whatever. Don't if you do put some money in, no, it's a pure gamble. Okay, don't be foolish and put your life savings. Just then don't even watch my videos or channel if you have that type of mentality. If you do it, just do it for fun. I didn't even buy into this token for fun. I bought it in because it does pay out dividends in terms of Solana, and I've been getting a good amount. And as the price goes up, the your dividend per share will also increase. But again, I come back. The reason I'm making this video right now is because this is purely speculation. Because I imagine something similar might happen uh, that we saw in the previous BGG1 token, where it's currently only trading at 1 million, and that's what the 1 million market cap is a good threshold for. Once it breaks that, we could see it go up to 10 million, and then if it starts trending, it starts showing up on the if it starts showing up on the deck screener like homepage as like trending token, and more people start buying it, like these type of tokens can rally up like significantly. So we could see it go up to like 30 million, like we saw with BGG1 token. But I think we're on the precipice of seeing a rally at least to 10 million. So from here, that's like a good 10x. Again, this pure speculation. Just anytime it doesn't even make sense to do technical analysis on tokens, on crypto tokens, because it's just all pure speculation. You just have to know when to get in and get out. And it's if you're trying to like make a profit, sometimes it's just all luck. But again, this is even if you say put like $100 in and it shoots up to 10 million and you miss it, you don't take your 10x profit, you're still going to get a good amount of dividends for holding that $100 worth of token. You're still going to get a good amount of dividends paid out in terms of Solana. So that's something, because every time someone buys and every time someone sells, this token taxes that transaction, and you're getting a payout of that tax. So even if you miss the exact top or whatever wherever you want to take a profit, you're not 100% losing everything, because you're still getting some payout into your Solana wallet. So I just want to bring this token to your attention because I think it's interesting. It's not like a typical pump and dump token. It does have functionality, I think, and I think we're at an interesting point where we could see a potential rally. It's been holding steady for the past 3 months, which is a good sign, and a lot of recent activity has been coming in. As you can see, like right here, just while making this video, there's people buying $260, $150 worth of these tokens just while in the middle of making the video. So there's some good activity going on. So yeah, if you don't know, oh well, I didn't even see because I'm making this video live, so I'm just noticing this now. This is actually number 11 on the deck screener chart. So on the deck's screener homepage, this is number 11. So this is already showing up on the front page, which is just a very very good sign. So if you can you please, if you made it this far, can you please do me a favor, just leave a like on this video. Means that means the world to me. Just leave a like on the video. Leave a comment. Let's get this video to at least 100 comments. You could just say hi or what's up. It doesn't have to be anything like written out, or just say anything in the comment. I just want to interact with you guys. Let me know what you think about this token. Let me know if you're going to put some money in. Let me know if you're already in it or what you think will happen next. And I want to interact with you guys in the comment section. So please leave a comment. Let's get this video to at least 100 comments. And let me know if you know how to, if a lot of you guys don't know how to like purchase these type of tokens, then maybe I can make a video on that too to show you how to purchase these type of tokens. So let me know, and please interact with me in the comment section. Leave a comment. Let's get this video to at least 100 comments, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.